In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on GoDaddy, GoDaddy payment methods. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, what information you'll need, and how to save a payment option so your purchases and renewals run smoothly. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. If you have two-step verification turned on, complete that prompt so you land on your dashboard. Being signed in to the correct customer account is important, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account Settings. This section is your hub for personal info, security, and billing, so it's the right place to manage how you pay for domains, hosting, and other services. Inside Account Settings, find and select Payment Methods. This brings up the list of any cards or wallets you've already saved. If you're new to GoDaddy or you're adding something fresh, look for the Add Payment Method button and click it. You'll now choose the type of payment you want to add. Depending on your region, you'll typically see options like credit or debit card and sometimes a digital wallet such as PayPal. Pick the one that fits your needs. For a card, enter the name on the card number, expiration date, and the security code from the back. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank or issuer has on file. Even small mismatches can cause a decline. If you select a wallet like PayPal, you'll be redirected to sign in and approve the connection, then sent back to GoDaddy to finish up. Before you wrap up, double check every field for typos. It's a good habit to confirm the postal code and the card's expiration date, especially if you're updating an older card. When everything looks right, click Save to add the method to your account. You should see a confirmation and your new payment method listed. If you have the option to set it as your default, choose that if you want future purchases and auto renewals to use this method automatically. Keeping a current default on file helps prevent interruptions to your domains, SSLs, and hosting. A few quick tips as you finish. Update your payment details before your services renew, remove expired cards to avoid confusion, and use a business card if you're managing company assets to keep bookkeeping clean. That's it. Your payment method is now ready to go.